Hello, welcome to Shan for Crafts. My name is Shan. I want to thank you for joining me today. And today I have something a little different planned, and I want to share this with you. Okay. Um. But before I talk about what I have here, I just want to mention to you that later on this week I'm gonna have a tag video uploaded. Someone had asked me about making tags, and I'm gonna have a whole video about different ideas for your tags. So I'm gonna be working on that this week. Also, I'm still trying to come up with something for a glue gun. It's just that I haven't been able to come up with something as of yet, but I'm still working on that as well. So I just wanted to say that before I got started. This is not going to be a very long video. Actually, what this is, what you see here in front of you, is actually these baskets are from a Dollar Tree, okay? And the reason why I did this project is because I had these little birds here, these little birds. I had got those on eBay a while back, and I never got a chance to use them for anything. And I wanted to use them in something, so this is what I came up with. And I have one in pink, okay? Pink and red. Okay, that's what I came up with. And all I did was I got these baskets. Now the baskets were the standard beige, you know, the brownish color wicker basket. And I spray paint this one white, and then I went over it with some antique white paint, okay, to distress it. And then after that I put some scrapbook paper on the back. And I got the labels from a scrapbook paper that I cut it out of. And it was this Ciao Bella, I don't know if I'm saying it right, stack. And it's put out by DCWV. Very pretty stack. Now, right there on the cover, there's some of the papers that are inside the stack. It's very, very pretty. It's very thick, and a lot of the pages have glitter on them. Very, very pretty pages. And it had one page in there where it had all these like little tags and stuff. So I cut out two of those, one for love, and then the other one, the yellow one, says wonderful, and I picked it because it was yellow like the little birds there. Okay, and all I did was, like I said, I spray painted. Now this one, I spray painted it blue. Then I went over with some white to distress it. Okay, then I just trimmed it up with lace. I also put lace on the inside of the rim. Okay, also for the little birds, I wanted for them to have something to sit on like a nest. So I got some beige yarn, and I got some twine, mixed it together and cut it down to size and just glued it in there underneath the birds. So it gave them like a little nest to sit on. And then of course I used some paper flowers. And here's some a little fabric rosette over here and over here. Okay, and and I finished those the other day, and I just wanted to share them with you because this is a great idea for you can, and like I said, you can use this for anything. It don't have to necessarily be with birds. You could put a teddy bear in it, or a little doll, or you could just fill it up with flowers and put like a little message or something back there in the background. So they actually, you could put someone's name on the back and give it to them as a gift. Okay, well that's all I have for now. My name is Shan. I want to thank you for watching Shan for Crafts. Don't forget, I'm going to have pictures of this project down at my blog, shanforcraft.blogspot.com. Also, later on this week, I'm going to get my tag video uploaded so I could show you some of the ideas that I have for tags. Once again, thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye-bye.